Welcome to this video. In this session, we will understand what technical SEO is and how it helps your website to perform better in search engines. Technical SEO refers to optimizing the backend and structure of your website to help search engines crawl, index, and rank it effectively. Without a strong technical SEO, your content may not be seen or ranked, even if it is high quality. It ensures your site is accessible, fast, and error-free. Technical SEO includes elements like website speed, mobile friendliness, secure connection, structured data, and proper URL structure. Faster websites provide a better user experience and rank higher. You should compress images, use caching, and reduce unnecessary code. Google uses mobile-first indexing. This means your website must work well on all mobile devices and screen sizes. Secure websites using HTTPS are trusted by users and search engines. Always use an SSL certificate for better ranking and trust. An XML Sitemap helps search engines to find all your web pages. Robots.txt tells search engine which pages to avoid. Structured data or Schema Markup helps search engine understand your content better. It can also display rich results in search. Always fix crawl errors and broken links to keep your website clean and easy for search engines to explore. Technical SEO builds the structure for your website success. It helps search engine to find, understand, and rank your content better. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about SEO, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.